Hi, thanks for watching. Just want to do a quick video because I just posted an animated GIF file. This is an image file, okay, with animations. It's a GIF, G-I-F at the end. And the reason why I want to show you how to make these is because they really do attract attention. Very few people know how to do things like this, but there are some easy ways you can do this. I'm just going to give you one simple tip that you can get this done. I'm on an Apple Mac computer. I don't know if Windows computers have similar tools, but I did this using Keynote, which is a similar software to PowerPoint, and I'm going to show you how to convert it into a GIF. Okay, so Keynote is basically Apple's version of PowerPoint. It's free for Mac users. This was already installed on my computer. So I just had an image here that I'd created. I actually created from a number of images. I just basically took thumbnails of capture pages from the Viral Team Builder system. I grabbed thumbnails of some of the pages that we're able to promote in here. So the Viral Team Builder system is a marketing system, and I'm just basically teaching people how to promote it. It's a free system. It can help you to build multiple income streams all in one place. It can even allow you to put in your primary businesses in here, whatever you're promoting, and you can use it to promote that. It generates leads very effectively. So I basically took some thumbnails from the back office here, and I sort of arranged them here. I grouped them together. So they're actually individual images that I added. So you can move them around and swivel them, and that's what I like about Keynote. And I'm sure the Windows version, what do you call it, the PowerPoint, can do similar things. And then I just group them all together. I'm sure PowerPoint has a similar thing. Don't ask me about PowerPoint because if you don't have Keynote and you're not on a Mac, I'm sorry, but you could probably do similar things on PowerPoint. But I don't. This is not really a tutorial for PowerPoint users. I'm sure if you know a bit about PowerPoint, you could do similar things. Anyway, so now I've grouped all these images together, so it's all one thing. You don't have to use multiple images like that. You could just go to the Viral Team Builder, go into the banners section. And you could just grab a single image. I would recommend using a larger image. You don't use well, you could use an animated image, I suppose, but I don't think it would come up as oh, you could use this, for example. Copy image. So for this example, let me do something brand new. So I'll delete that and I'll just put in this one instead. And then, so it's got animations. You can do animations just like you can do with PowerPoint. So you can add an animation. Yeah, there are all kinds of things you could do. The thing I like about Keynote is you can do, I like the flames, but there are a lot of other things. Swoosh. Oh, that's cool. So then what you do is I don't know if I could do multiple, probably could. Well, no, okay. Well, you probably could. Okay, well, just for this demonstration. Anyway, I'm just going to save this. I'm going to export it to a movie. Okay, and I'm sure PowerPoint will allow you to do that, but I'm just going to export it to movie. In this case, I'm going to select QuickTime. Actually, hold on a minute. I think Okay, so yeah, export to movie, QuickTime, and then save it as a movie. Save it to your desktop so you can find it. So it's now a movie that I've just added to my desktop. Okay, so it's there. And then what I do is I go to a free web-based software. It's called easygif.com, and I'm going to go to the video to GIF tool. So if you just go to this main page, main website.com, and then go to video to GIF tab, and then you can, if you've got something uploaded already, you can put the URL there. But you know, obviously mine is on my desktop, so I'm going to navigate to that, and then I upload it, and then the animated GIF will load when it's done. Okay, so there's the video version of it. You could just play the video just to check this, how long it is. It's only 3, so I'm just gonna, I can see that the video is only 3 seconds. Actually, you know, you can use the current position. When it's finished at the end, you can use the current position. It'll automatically detect where it is at the end, and then convert to GIF. And it does it really fast. So there you go. You know, there are a few other tools you can use, such as crop, if you think that there's too much white space around the side. It seems to automatically detect, which is quite clever of this thing. But you could just cut it a bit more, maybe. Because the whole point is with a GIF is you're trying to get, you want to get as a light a file as possible. You don't want it too heavy, because you want them to load really fast. I don't think I need to click that button, it seems to detect it already, but anyway, and then crop it. So there it is. And then I'm also going to do one more thing. I'm going to go to frames, because it loads a bit slow. I want it to load a bit faster. I mean, because there's too much white space here. So I can see that I'm going to skip from this point. I'm going to skip these 2 white. You know, you've got the whole timeline here. So I'm just going to skip those 3 white slides there, because I want it to load faster. There you go. Much faster, and it actually makes it a lot lighter as well. The file size is a lot lighter, and that means that that's going to load quicker. Now, the reason why I want to do this is because I want to load this on Facebook. You can also put these into emails. Okay, use them as solo ads if the solo vendor allows you to post HTML emails to the solo ad vendor. So if you're going to post a solo ad, an email solo ad, and you can post HTML, then you can do that. But now what you need to do is you need to download it. So you can save that. So there you have the animated GIF, and it's light. So the next thing you need to do is you need to upload it somewhere. And if you haven't got anywhere to upload it, I recommend PhotoBucket. PhotoBucket. This is a free image hosting place. I've got hundreds and hundreds of images that I upload, because you never know when you're going to need them. You know, posting on Facebook, posting onto classified ad classified ad sites, or posting onto solo ads, email solo ads. And so then you can go here. So you can create a free account at PhotoBucket, upload the GIF to here, because if you want to post it onto Facebook, you have to you have to have it hosted. You can't upload animated GIFs directly onto Facebook because they won't animate. So you have to host them somewhere else and then just paste the URL to that image onto Facebook. And then you can also post it into solo ads. So there it is. So what I want to do now is I want to select that, and you can click link here. So there you've got various options. You've even got HTML here already generated for you, but you need to put in your link to your page or whatever. But on Facebook you can't use HTML, so you need the direct link. So you copy the direct link for Facebook and go back to Facebook. And then I'm going to go to my timeline. I'm not actually going to properly post it. I'm just going to show you how it all works. My computer's running a bit slowly. Must be recording the video at the moment, I suppose. So I'm going to go to my timeline. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to post it to myself just to show you what it looks like. Wait for the preview. It should preview. There it is. It might not. Sorry, hold on. It might not preview the animation, but you can always select only me just to test it first, and then when you post it. My computer's running slowly. Yeah, there you go. So it loads nicely on Facebook. It's just something that a lot of people are not really doing, and I posted the other thing here as well with the flames. No, this was another one. Sorry, no, this wasn't the flames. This is a bit different. I mean, I didn't do. This is, yeah, I mean, once you start playing around with stuff and you get a bit more advanced, you can do some other animations inside it and stuff. But I also made this using the Keynote and also this website as well, so animated GIF. So yeah, there you go. Anyway, hope that was useful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.